Conflict management, de-escalation, and trust-building techniques are essential to prevent or manage probable conflicts, reduce challenges, and build trust to conduct helpful interactions with other people or establish helpful and effective relationships and have higher level of collaborations with different people under different circumstances and also in different environments. Conflict management, de-escalation, and trust building skills are among the main aspects of soft skills and also belongs to different aspects and also helpful aspects of emotional intelligence and are helpful to prevent probable conflicts and also manage well different conflicts and reduce challenges and to be more active and effective under different circumstances to manage well relationships with other people or help other peoples to reduce their conflicts and also build trust, to have more collaborations and also have helpful contacts and relationships. That's why it's important to learn different techniques to manage well probable conflicts and also build trust to have helpful relationships with other people. And there are some techniques that enable and help individuals to manage probable conflicts and reduce challenges and also build trust. Actually, when we talk about conflict is a natural part of relationship, and handling it effectively promotes growth and also help individuals to improve their relationships. It means that we cannot prevent conflict completely, and conflict may occur during our actions and reactions and contacts and communication with different people. But we have to learn how to manage conflicts and how to reduce conflicts and challenges and how to use probable conflicts to improve the level of our mutual understanding and improve our relationships. And also, de-escalation involves staying calm, listening actively, and understanding the other's perspectives. When we want to conduct interactions with other people, have relationships with others, we have to be calm when there are possibilities of occurring conflicts or problems. It's better to be calm and try to find the ways to prevent probable conflicts and challenges and also manage any kind of conflict. And also the active listening or listening actively helps individuals to understand one another and also encourages individuals to share their information and also be more helpful for one another. And also understanding of others' perspectives in the different under different circumstances, such as interpersonal or professional or social circumstances and environments, help individuals to establish more trust and prevent many conflicts. And also collaborating to find mutually beneficial solutions fosters cooperation. When we face probable conflicts, we have to focus on collaboration and mutual beneficial solutions to prevent conflicts or manage well conflicts, and also bring helpful outcomes from probable conflicts instead of undermining our relationships, and also managing or damaging our relationships and affecting our relationships or contacts and communication negatively. When we manage logically any kind of conflicts and try to understand one another and listen actively, we can change probable challenges to opportunities to improve our mutual understandings and also expand our collaborations and also improve our relationships and contacts and communications. And mediation techniques help facilitate constructive dialogue in conflict situations. When we face with probable conflicts or other peoples, when we witness that other peoples facing probable conflicts, it's better to mediate or try to solve their conflicts, or also try to solve the conflict occur between us and other people. And when we try to mediate to solve conflicts among or between different people, such helpful actions and reactions help us to establish a positive face and an helpful face in character in the mind of other people, and it increases the level of our effectiveness, and also it could help us to establish more meaningful and helpful relationships with other people. And also, effective conflict resolutions prevents misunderstanding and strengthens relationships. When we try to solve probable conflicts or manage probable conflicts effectively, such efforts enables us to strengthen our relationships and also reduce probable misunderstandings. And also developing sensitivity to cultural differences and diversity, which are essential in the current multicolor and colorful environments and world, helping enable individuals to prevent many conflicts that occurs from stereotyping or continuing or focusing activities or action based on cultural biases or based on the low level of cultural sensitivity. That's why individuals need to improve the level of their cultural sensitivity and also cultural awareness and cultural competence when they face with different people or face different situations, or when they conduct communication or start relationships with people from different backgrounds, they could be more helpful and more active when they have higher level of cultural sensitivity and cultural awareness, and also cultural competence. And understanding cultural differences enhances interpersonal communication. Through the improvement of cultural understanding, we can improve the level and also quality of our interpersonal communication with different people. And sensitivity to cultural norms and values fosters inclusivity. It's mean that we can feel inclusive when we know different cultural norms, and when we be sensitive to different cultural norms and respect differences in different cultural norms. And also such situation may help us to establish more relationships and more effective contacts and communication with different people. And being culturally aware reduces the risk of miscommunication and stereotypes. Stereotypes and also miscommunication are among the most challenging factors and elements among people of different cultures and different societies who live in the new and modern colorful environments, or who work or are active under different situations in different organizations. Thus, when they improve the level of their cultural awareness, such awareness may help them to reduce miscommunication in the application of stereotypes, which are not helpful for the conducting helpful communication with different people. And also, empathy plays key role in understanding the perspectives of people from diverse backgrounds. When we face different situations, or when we interact with people of different cultures and different societies, we have to focus on our empathy or empathy skill, and try to improve the level of our empathy, and try to show positive idea and positive actions and reaction based on differences of other cultures. And higher level of empathy helps us to establish trust and also have better relationships with other people, especially people that are of different cultures and societies. And cultural competence enhances collaboration in global or diverse teams. When people from different cultures, they work together or study together or they establish collaborative teams, when they improve the level of their cultural sensitivity, cultural awareness, and cultural competence, they could be more effective, more active and effective, and they could be more helpful for each other or for one another. And also building trust and rapport and professional and personal and professional relationships are essential under different circumstances and in different environments. Nowadays, individuals mostly live in multicultural areas where they work in multicultural or multicultural organizations, or even they study in different and multicultural organizations and institutions. It is important to build trust and report and based on their personal and professional needs and relationships. And also building trust is important to have to establish a safe and more attractive environment, and also to feel safe and have helpful interactions with different people. And trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, both personal and professional. Because without trust, we cannot conduct helpful interactions, and we cannot establish and continue helpful and effective relationships. That's why to establish helpful relationships, we need to improve the level of our trust and build trust with other people. And also consistency, reliability, and open communication build trust over time. When we face with other people with positive face and also open-mindedness, and also try to conduct helpful and open communication, such a situation helps us to build trust, and also empathy and understanding contribute to building rapport, and also increases the level of trust among or between people. And active listening and showing appreciation strengthen relationships, and also among the main requirements of building trust and the establishment of better relationships among or between people. And also trust enables teamwork, collaboration, and leadership effectiveness through the improvement of better understanding, and also through trust building and the improvement of the level of trust between or among people. Such situation help individuals to improve the level and quality of their collaboration and teamwork. And also trust plays an important role on the improvement of leadership effectiveness, and also the improvement of helpful relationships among or between people. That's why to have active and productive life under different circumstances and in different situations, and also for personal, professional, or social lives, individuals need to learn how to manage well probable challenges, how to build trust, and how to conduct helpful contacts and communication with other people, and also how to establish and continue helpful relationships with different people. That's why it's important to focus on the improvement of skills and abilities to manage well probable conflicts and build trust based on our needs for our personal, professional, and social needs and lives.